Welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Nwaka. I am your instructor. Today, I will be showing you the full structural detailing of this 8-story office building complex, as you can see it here. Some months ago, we began this design of this 8-story office building complex, as you can see. So today, we are at the stage of the structural detailing, and I'll be showing you the full structural detailing of this 8-story building. If maybe you missed all the parts of this modeling to this very stage, I would say you should check on the link down below so that you don't miss any part of this video and so that you can grab it all down to this very stage. Okay, let me just show you a glimpse of that. We have already checked all the design status of this building, which we have run the building design and all the members passed, and we checked all the parts of this of all these structural members where we check the columns and the beams to make sure that we use the very adequate reinforcements for the design of this 8-story building. Okay, so right now we are now at the stage of the structural detailing, and I'll be showing you today how to perform the full structural detailing of this 8-story building, and we will be using a customized structural detailing template which is called Stonebridge Company structural detailing template for the structural detailing of this 8-story building. And I'll also drop the link of that Stonebridge Company customized structural detailing template so that you can download that. Although it's not that expensive, it's just around 10 to $8 to $10, but I would say that it will help you a lot because it will reduce your workload for the structural detailing to at least 80%, and that template is customized with ProtaStructure software. Okay, so right now let's begin right now for the structural detailing of this 8-story office building right now. So I'll just go here right now to my plan view right now. So on this plan view first, the first thing we'll begin first is to detail first the slab detailing. Then we will not transfer all the structural detailing using Prota detail, which it will now appear in an AutoCAD format, and then we will now export that AutoCAD structural detailing that was done for us by this software into the Stonebridge Company structural detailing template, and automatically that template, which is the Stonebridge template, we automatically arrange most of the features that was brought from this software ProtaStructure. Okay, so right now to begin the slab detailing right now, I'll first of all go back to my plan view right now. I'll go back to the story 1 right now to begin the slab detailing of that story 1. So if maybe you are having issues in slab detailing, I think this video will help you a lot. And meanwhile, you can see that we have two types of slab right here. We have a solid slab here, and we also have a weave slab here right now. So I will detail for this solid slab, and when we get to the Stonebridge Company structural template, I will show you how to detail this weave slab just there. Okay, so we now go over right now to now begin the slab detailing here. So we will now click on this place right now to begin the slab detailing. I'll just click on this place, concrete member, and then I'll go here and click on slab strip. Now on this slab strip right now, there is an option which you are meant to choose just here right now. You're meant to choose a valid option here because you can see that in this building, we have cantilevers on almost all the edges, as you can see it here. We have a cantilever slab on all the edges, and because of that, we will have to make some of the selection for this slab detailing here. So we on this place right now, if you can see this here, this is a slab, and if you check on this is a cantilever end. So we will click on this because if we start from here, we have a cantilever at this end, and if we start from here also, we have a cantilever at this end. So on both ends we have cantilever, but on this end we don't have cantilever on this end. So when we are performing the slab detailing of this area, we will change the option. But for now, let's begin from this other panel here. So with this panel now, since we have cantilever here and cantilever at this end now, I will now click on the start at this place called start. We will say cantilever option, and also at this end also cantilever option. Then right now we will now zoom out some of this place right now, and then just click somewhere just above it, and then we will now hold our control key. Control key helps to make the line straight. So we hold our control key and go down all the way down to this very place, and then hold our control key to make the line straight, as you can see there. If you leave your control key, your line will not be straight, as you can see there. So hold your control key to make the line straight, and then click somewhere a bit just after the panel, and then you click there, and automatically you will see your slab reinforcement shown automatically, as you can see there. So you can now see how our slab reinforcement has now been detailed, as you can see there, where we have for this direction, which is the right direction, as you can see there. Okay, so right now, okay, I made a selection of X direction, but this is a Y direction, so I'll just right click right now and then delete it right now, delete it totally, because I have to choose Y direction if you're beginning from Y direction, and then just repeat just what we have just done. So I'll just click somewhere above that right now. I'll click somewhere above that and then hold my control key down, or just go down first to locate my ending point, which is still a cantilever end, and then locate here, holding my control key and click. Most of you used to have issues to detail cantilever slab when you're having cantilever slab, but I think with this video you will be able to perform a full slab detailing when you're having a cantilever end. Okay, so right now at this place right now we don't have cantilever on these two panels right now, so I'll go here right now and change my this is a discontinuous end, so I'll go here right now and change my end to be a bob, that is just a discontinuous end. So right now, since I'm starting from this place right now, this place is still called a cantilever end, as you can see here. This slab is cantilevered, as you can see here. So at this my start end, it will still be cantilever, but at this my ending end here, where we don't have cantilever end, I would not choose cantilever option. I will choose a discontinuous end option, as you can see there. So right now, I will now go to this place and then start my end here to now begin. I'll click just directly above this, and then just go below this place right now, holding my control key down to make the line straight, and then I'll click. Automatically it will detail the slab reinforcement on the y direction, and I'll do the same thing here again on this other side again. Hold click at the very point here just above somewhere here, and then hold my control key to then go down below here. I'll hold my control key to keep this section cutting straight, and then click down here, and automatically you will see how it will detail that again, as you can see that. And then right now we have done this 3-panel slab detailing right now. I will now go here right now to go and change my direction to X direction, because I want to start detailing for this X direction right now. So at this very end right now, I'll start from here to cut my slab section to now to detail my slab all the way down here. So right now, I'll now go here. Since my starting end here is still cantilever, I'll still make my first option here cantilever. Now on this very end here right now, you can see that this is not a discontinuous end, because at this very end we have another type of slab which is called a reef slab on this other end. So I'll not go and choose my end discontinuous, but I'll rather choose it to be slab. You can see that slab continuation. So at that point right now, since my start end is cantilever as I've choose already, and my ending end is slab, I'll now have to start my end here as cantilever, because I choose cantilever as my start end. So I'll now click on this place right now, zoom out on this place right now, and then click this very point, no, not this very point, escape. You have to locate it very well to click. So I'll click at this very point right now, not really, it's trying to snap that very point, so I'll click somewhere here and then go all the way down, holding my control key, and then click just after this place, because I've already choose that this ending point will be that there is a slab at this very point. So I will now click here. Automatically it will detail for the X direction, as you can see here right now. So we now have our slab detail for the X direction, which it gave us some of the spacing for this very end. Because of the cantilever, as you can see here, it gave us that this place should be have a spacing of 150, and you can also change your spacing to your preferred area, which I'll show you in my next video, which I'll show you how to change your spacing to either 175 or 200, which you want as your maximum spacing. Okay, so I'll now go over to this place again. Right now we still have the same option, starting end cantilever and on ending end as slab. So I will not change my option because they have the same type of ending boundary principle. So I'll now go here again and then click at this very point again right now, and then go over here. You know, slab actually structural detailing looks very boring, but I would say that if you follow up to the end of this video and to the very end of all the parts of this structural detailing, where we go to go and perform the full structural detailing in AutoCAD, you will find it very, very interesting. So I'll click here right now, and then that detail is being showed full. Okay, so right now again, I detail my next one again right now to this very end here, and then click at this very point here right now, and then go all the way down to this very place right now, and then hold my control key and then detail here also, and then I will now go again to detail these other parts again. Meanwhile, be rest assured that by next month we will be performing the pie design of this 8-story office building. So I'll click again at this place again right now, and then go all the way down. So if you don't want to miss that pie design for this building, I'll say you should pie foundation design for this building. I'll say you should click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, so that you will be notified whenever we upload that video for the pie foundation. And then also I will say that you should click on the like button. Please click on the like button and give us a thumbs up for this video. Okay, so right now, and then now I want to detail this place right now. If it doesn't have a cantilever at this end, as you can see there, so I will click at this place right now, discontinuous, and then click at this very point here, and then go all the way down here to now detail my slab here right now, and click at this very point. So right now you can now see how we have detailed our slab. Now we will now have to cut a section. So I'll click, I'll just close this right now, and then click at this place again, concrete member right now, to cut our slab section. So I'll go here right now, and you see this place, floor plan section. So I'll click at this place right now to cut the slab section for this right now. So I'll cut two sections. One, I'll cut it from this point to directly at this place where the solid slab ends, and I also cut a section for this rib slab to show you how rib slab section looks like. Okay, so right now I will now cut this place by the same principle you use to cut to like detail your slab. The same principle, to just zoom out and click somewhere after the slab, and then hold your control key to make the line straight, and then go all the way down where you want to end your slab section cutting, and then click, and then it will now show you where to place. You can now go above here and place that your section, as you can see what I'm doing right now, and click. So you can now see that this is now a cantilever slab which we have here, as you can see it here, and then this is also, you can see that this is the bin where we end our slab section, as you can see there. So this is section AA, as you can see. This is section AA, as you can see it here. And then this is also section AA, which is there. In my next video, I will show you how to show all the reinforcements that will be shown on this section. So now I'll also go ahead right now to now cut my section. I'll cut a full section right now also to show you how this rib slab will be. So I'll still go here right now and then cut my section by holding by clicking here first, and then hold my control key to keep the line. So I'll now cut all the way down to this place right now, and then click, and then I'll go and paste it just above. So you can now see how this software is to cut a rib slab, as you can see there right now. This is how it's cut a rib slab, but when we go directly to the full structural detailing in AutoCAD, I'll show you how to cut a full proper rib slab section. So, and that will be around the part 12 of this video, because we have already done from 1 to part 8 of this video. Okay, so right now I will now go all the way down and click on escape key, and then we will just go ahead first to go and view the let us view the 3D view of what we have just done. Although you are not going to see the this reinforcement on the 3D view, but in my next video I'll be using ProtaStructure 2021 to now perform the slab detailing again, so that you will see it visibly. You will see the reinforcement visibly. Okay, so right now I'll go back to my plan view right now, and then click on plan view. And then, since we have already done the slab detailing of this first floor plan right now, I'll also go to my second floor plan right now, to my story 2 right now, to my story 2, although I will not do that right now, but in my next video I'll do that right now. So right now I will show you how to produce your slab design report right now. So to produce this slab design report, I will first of all go to my story one, and meanwhile be rest assured that if you didn't do your slab detailing, you are not going to see your slab design report. So right now I will now go to this place, go down to this place right now. You will see where it is being said here. If you go here right now and click on this slab right now, right click, and then you will see slab analysis and design. So once I click on this right now, it will produce for me automatically the slab calculation sheet or the design report. I'll just go to this place right now and say delete and reselect all steel bars, but I'll see go here again that there's an option here to choose. So you can go here right now and choose. You can see this first option here is saying don't modify steel bar if existent. This is not okay to use. You can also see that saying check design and only reselect insufficient bars. So this is also okay. This is the best one to choose, so that if any reinforcement is not sufficient, you should choose a higher reinforcement diameter. So I'll now go here right now and click OK. Since I'm trying to show just the story one slab detailing slab design report, I will not go and choose all story. I'll just go here right now and click on design. So automatically right now it will show us the design report for this slab right now. So if you find this video very useful and you want to watch most of all our videos, of our coming videos, I would say you should click on the subscribe button so you don't miss most of our videos. And also I would say you should turn on uh, the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever we post some of these our amazing videos. Okay, so right now, and we will go ahead. Once that place shows up right now, we will now go on to now go and begin other type of slab detailing, although we will also show you how to export all our structural members into AutoCAD, where we'll be using ProtaDetail to export all our structural detailing, which is the beam and the slab, and then we will be using Stonebridge company structural detailing template, which I'll drop the link down below. It's a very good template which makes your structural detailing work very easy, and it helps you to at least cover up at least 80% of the time you're meant to spend on structural detailing after ProtaStructure design. It will help you a lot. Okay, and the link is down below. You can check out the link down below and download that. It's not that expensive. You can watch most of our videos if you have not watched that, where we use the Stonebridge company structural detailing template and perform structural detailing after ProtaStructure design. Okay, we are waiting for this design to like come up, to like we are waiting for the design report to like come up. So let's just hold on for it to come up right now. Okay, so right now you can now see the full structural detailing. You can see the name um, done by or calculated by Engineer Justice Walker, which is my name, and my boss, Engineer Nelson, as you can see it here, and also 8-story office building. You can see how perfect this slab reinforcement design report looks like. Very perfect. You can see it now. It looks very perfect. You can see it, and you can see everything sufficient. You can see the deflection check. It is shown sufficient, and this also sufficient. You can see it here. Everything here is being shown sufficient, which is very perfect. Now you can choose to export it to PDF or choose to export it to Word, which if you want. So if you want to export that, you just click on PDF and automatically it will go to PDF. And if you want to print directly from this place, you can also print it directly. Now if you see any part of the panel or the slab showing insufficient, I would advise that you should go and increase the depth of that slab, or you can break that panel. Maybe it is too wide. Now you can see that all our panels are just showing sufficient. All the slab design is, they are all showing sufficient. Okay, so right now we have come to the end of this lecture for today, and in the next lecture I will be showing you how to export all the structural detailing, which is the slab, and also the beams to ProtaDetail, and then from there we will now move on to AutoCAD. So you can now see how we have done the full the slab detailing for this 8-story office building. Now using the same principle, you can now detail other floors, because I know that most of my subscribers are they are already following this design, which you have also modeled and designed to this very stage. So you can use the same principle which we have done for the first floor slab detailing and do for the other floors, and then show me up on WhatsApp. We have our WhatsApp platform, our WhatsApp number, or down in our video description and also on our about page. So you can visit our about page and then message us, and we will also check your design to see how you have done. And also we also have what they call Ekidel mentorship program, where we train specially young engineers on structural design for pipe foundation, for wrap foundation, and many type of designs up to 20-story building. We will train you on that. Although it is not that expensive, it's around $300 and upward. Okay, so right now we have come to the end of this today's lecture, and God bless you all, and we love you all.